What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are just doing well. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support the channel. I wanted to talk about the week we had in the stock market, and it was a very interesting week. It was a good week overall. You had all three averages rise up. The S&P 500 ended up in the green. The NASDAQ ended up in the green. And also the Dow Jones ended up in the green. And it was a very interesting week because even though all three of those companies, all three of those indexes ended up in the green, we had the earnings reports as well for big tech, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, and also Meta, Facebook. And Apple did the best out of all those companies. Even though they had slowing sales of the iPhone, they did have some good revenue and also good EPS, earnings per share. And also they provided good guidance as well towards the fourth quarter. Amazon went down due to weak guidance, and also Google had lower ad revenue, so that hurt them. And with Meta, they're the ones who was really hurt. Their stock has been struggling. Over the past year, their market cap has went down over $700 billion. It reached $1 billion last year, I believe in September of 2021. And as of now, or as over the past year, it's been down over $700 billion. And that's huge because they are struggling with a couple things as of right now, with three things right now. The first thing is the decrease of users. People are leaving Facebook. So that lets me know that they're not, Facebook or Meta is not doing anything different as far as innovating the platform. And also it lets me know the competition that they have with TikTok is also hurting them as well. So that hurt them as well. The second thing was ad revenue. Facebook gets paid a lot of money from ad revenue, and it's been a decrease as far as that from businesses advertising on Facebook. So that's been huge. And also the third and big thing is the metaverse. Obviously, Facebook has stood firm on the metaverse. Hence the reason why they changed their name to Meta, because they are all in on the metaverse, and they've lost over $9 billion investing in the metaverse, and that really sent the stock down. And also they had weak guidance going forward as well. Weak guidance towards the fourth quarter, meaning they think that it may be more losses and lower revenue possibly in the fourth quarter. And that's huge, because big tech kind of is like a guideline, or big tech is used to kind of view, to be able to see the state of the economy. Usually if the big tech is doing good, then you know that the stock market is doing good, the economy is doing well. But when the big tech is going down, that is pretty key and powerful, because big tech holds a significant portion or significant value in the stock indexes. So they hold a heavy weighting. So when they're down, usually the market is down, or when they're up, usually the market is up. So it was a very interesting week, and then we'll see how everyone does going forward in the fourth quarter, because we still have a lot of things going on. We still have a lot of inflation, even though we had some recent data to kind of show that maybe it's decreasing, but that's still like the fly on the wall. Also, we have the raising of the interest rates. So we need to see if Jerome Powell is going to, keep, not Jerome Powell, but the Federal Reserve is going to keep up with the 75 basis points hikes in order to slow down inflation. Because when they are raising rates, it's basically to try to slow down the economy, to try to stop people from spending, to try to stop people from borrowing money, essentially, because you're making the interest rates higher to basically break the economy. So we'll see what's going on with that. And also, it could be a looming recession. Some people think that we are in a recession. Some people don't think we are in a recession. So I'm gonna leave that to you on what you think. I believe that we are in a recession, but that's my thoughts. But I just wanted to talk about that. And with these companies down, big tech, these are some good companies. Still, Meta, I don't know, because they have to adjust. But these are some good companies, especially with Apple and Amazon and Google. So definitely, be on the lookout for those companies as far as trying to find out maybe a good buying point. Some people think that the market still has some more downside to it. So you may be able to get in at some way better prices. So definitely keep your eye out. And when stocks are down like this, always look at it as an opportunity. Don't look at it as, it's red, so I'm not going to buy. You want to buy low and sell high. So this is the perfect time to be able to analyze the market, to be able to see, is it something that you see that's good as far as a buying opportunity? If not, hold cash and wait and see. So I just wanted to talk about that, talk about the market, and we'll see what's next. And I will be talking to you guys soon. I appreciate you guys for listening. And if you could, sub to the channel, hit that like button, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.